In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a Zoom meeting with WordPress. We'll start on WordPress.com. Head to the Sites area and sign in so you can access your dashboard. Once you're in, look for plugins in the sidebar and open the plugin directory. This is where you'll add the tools that let WordPress talk to your video platforms. Use the search bar to find what you need. Type Zoom Meeting into the search field to filter the catalog to video conferencing tools. When you see eRoom, Webinar and Meeting plugin for Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, open its page to learn more. Right at the top, you'll see a summary of what it does. It integrates your WordPress site with popular meeting platforms so you can create and manage sessions directly from your dashboard. Take a moment to click through the tabs on that plugin page. Start with Description to understand features and any requirements. Switch to Installation to preview setup steps and make sure they fit your workflow. Check the changelog to confirm it's actively maintained and review the FAQs for quick answers to common questions. These tabs help you gauge compatibility before you commit. Now scroll to Related Plugins and click See All. This gives you similar options to compare. From that list, choose the card that mentions easily creating instant webinars and meetings with Zoom integration. It's a quick way to find another strong candidate. On the next screen, open ZooMeet, Zoom Meeting and Webinar Integration. This one is a dedicated video conference solution made for WordPress. When you're ready to proceed, click Get Started. That launches the WordPress.com setup flow with the plugin bundled, which can save you time. Follow the prompts to set up your site. You'll be asked about your domain. Use the search field to look for a new domain if you want something fresh for your events. If you already own a domain, select the option that says you already have one, then choose to use your domain. Continue to confirm your choice and advance to the next step. The prompts may highlight your selections as you go. Just keep confirming until you reach the end. Once the site creation wraps up, the plugin will be ready on your dashboard. From here, the plugin's description and installation details you reviewed earlier will guide you on configuring settings and preparing your meeting pages, so your attendees can see schedules and join links right on your site. And that's it. Starting from the Sites area, exploring the eRoom page, comparing related options, and using Get Started with ZooMeet to create a WordPress site that's ready for hosting your Zoom meetings.